Set up your first freelance project in minutes. Hi, this is Brian Kay for doitbythehour.com, and I'm a freelancer just like you. Are you drowning in sticky notes, spreadsheets, and emails just trying to keep your client projects straight? Do It by the Hour is an integrated software solution for freelancers that includes project management, invoicing, Stripe integration, booking calendars, expense tracking, CRM tools, accounting, and more. Follow along as we set up a new project. A project belongs to a job and contains tasks which are organized by group. A project can contain reference files, and tasks can allow a file to be uploaded as a deliverable. If you don't have a job or need a new one, go to the dashboard and click the Do It button under Do Work. From the Do Work page, click the Jobs button in the Projects section. From the Jobs page, click the Create Jobs button. Enter the details for this company. If you want your project tasks to be billable, you must select a client employee for this job. The provided list is all employees of all companies in your company list. Client employee is not required for non-billable projects. Our other tutorials will guide you on creating a company, which you can access by clicking the Get Work button in the dashboard, then clicking the Manage Companies button in the Contacts section. Once you have the appropriate job set up, you can proceed to creating your project. Go to the dashboard and click the Do It button under Do Work. From the Do Work page, click the Projects button in the Projects section. On the Projects page, click Create Project. On the Create Project page, select the name of a job that you've already created. If instead you'd like to automatically create a new job for this project, check the Create New Job box. Enter the name and description for this project. If you want to allow files to be uploaded for project tasks, check the Allow File Uploads box. Click the Save button and you'll be taken to the Project List page. Click the Project button under your new project. On the Project Details page, you can manage various aspects of the project. First, create your task groups by clicking the Edit Groups button. Click the Create button to create a new group. If Include in your Kanban is checked, you'll be able to see this group in your Kanban view. When you finish creating your groups, you can click Reorder to specify how they're sorted on the task list page. Click the Done button when you're finished to return to the Project Details page. You can also add reference files, such as a style guide, statement of work, or other documents that team members can access, as well as adding income and expenses. Click the Task List button to go to your tasks view. Click on the blue group header to expand the group you want to add a task to. Enter a task name, hold down the Control or Command key, and press Enter. This creates the task and automatically shows the edit page. Without Control/Command, you'll stay in the task list view. Enter the details for your task, including the Assigned To from your My People list, due date, and description. Checking the Upload File box displays options to specify the type of file that should be uploaded for this task. When you're finished, click Save to return to the task list. You've now created a new project, task groups, and your first task. Ready to take your freelancing career to the next level? Give us a try with 30 days of unlimited access for free. Get started today on www.doitbythehour.com.